chair that I was tied to through some of the film, but it was a real solid wood chair. Both heavy tha until I, got out of it. But there were lots of different stunts and lots of different things.
कभी चोट वोट लगी कि आप स्पोर्ट्स में
Yeah, वो लोगों ने मुझे गिराया on the harness. One time I fell from like 3 feet down. That did not feel good, but गलती होती है, and we move on. I was fine. So then
आपका रोल क्या रहने वाला है इन मूवीज में?
it's a psychological thriller.
एंड यूजुअली ये कितना डिफरेंट है क्योंकि आप बॉलीवुड में भी आपने काम किया है एंड देन दिस टॉलीवुड, सो दोनों का जो सिनेमा है वो कितना डिफरेंट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वर्किंग इन्वायरमेंट, क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्टार स्टडेड कल्चर बहुत है इन रिगार्ड्स टू मेल. तो हाउ हैव यू बीन डिफरेंट इन दोज?
It's a female-centric film, which is good for me.
ओके.
There is a male star in it, and he's absolutely amazing. But it's not. It's a psychological thriller, and I think people will enjoy it. It's more in a real space than people flying from one side to the other in the film, which is great to watch. But this is not that type of film, and I'm excited for people to watch this. And I did my dubbing for this film, and it's turned out really well.
We're really excited for that.
Yeah, same.
आप हिंदी कैसे अच्छी बोल रही हैं? कैसे सीखा आपने लगातार?
From Jeeti Rather. From the people around me, जो मेरे आजू बाजू है, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ उसके साथ हिंदी बोलना. And I've been here for a very long time now, so थोड़ा तो सीखना पड़ेगा.
और डैनियल भी सीख रहे हैं आपके साथ?
डैनियल, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि डैनियल कुछ चीजें समझ आती है लेकिन बोलते नहीं है. So then मुझे भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान से बोलना. अगर मुझे कुछ बोलना है that's naughty about him, then I have to be careful.
और बच्चे भी हिंदी सीख रहे हैं?
Yes, Nisha reads and writes Hindi. Speaking, I think वो स्कूल में करती है लेकिन घर पे नहीं करती है. And then my sons, one of them speaks Hindi. So cute. ऐसे मस्ती मजाक में बोलता है. It's very cute.
पढ़ने में कौन होशियार है? ऐसा होता है कि वो कंपटीशन की आज ये आज वो?
I have 3 children, so हमेशा सब चीज़ों में competition होता है. But Nisha's been learning Hindi and Marathi for years now, so she speaks, reads, writes, all of it.
आपको आती है मराठी?
So no, I know Noku Noku, Hello Hello, Moshe, Ikere, Paije. That's it.
काफी सीख लिया.
जो भी घर पे बोलते मैं वो ही सुनती हूँ.
बच्ची के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग कैसी है?
With Nisha, it's amazing, my bonding. She's really a superb, intelligent, lovely, sensitive young girl. And, she's extremely creative, which is very nice. And, I think the sky is the limit for Nisha.
So if there's something जो आप सिखाना चाहेंगे अपने बच्चों को फॉर द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, कुछ ऐसे रेड फ्लैग्स जो द मोमेंट वो अपने घर के बाहर कदम रखें तो ये चीज़ें जो हैं वो इतनी दुनिया इतनी बुरी है या इतनी अच्छी है, तो ये जो लेसन्स हैं वो क्या होंगे जो आपने अपने लाइफ में सीखे हैं?
I think like सबकी लाइफ में बुरी चीज़ें होंगे. I mean, they have to make mistakes to learn from those mistakes. But I think the biggest thing that जो Daniel और मैं हमेशा बोलते, that is, we want them to be good human beings and be kind to people and don't steal, don't cheat, don't hurt people. So being a good human being is at the top of my list. मैं हमेशा बच्चे को बोलती हूँ, especially Nisha because she's a little older. मैं बोलती because she's very smart, like so smart. जो like in class हम एक बच्चा होता है जो सबसे स्मार्ट होता है and हम उसको we hate them because हमारे grades तो इतने अच्छे नहीं होते. उसका वो एक बार पढ़ती है वो सब चीजें समझ आती है. She's very, very smart. And so I always tell Nisha, I say, I don't care about your grades. जो भी आपके marks हैं, मुझे कोई I don't know how to say it. It doesn't matter to me what your grades are. What matters to me is if you're a good human being. Because I can help you with your studies, but I cannot help you be a good human being. You know, I can teach you things about being a good human being, show you how I act, how Daniel acts, what acts of kindness हम कर सकते दूसरे लोगों के लिए. But लेकिन वो अंदर से आना चाहिए, right? So it's like it's a tough process of how do you raise a sensitive, loving, good human being, especially in today's world where they have just so many things at their disposal, and you know, trying to teach them these things is not always very easy.
आप पंजाब से आती हैं बेसिकली, तो पंजाब जाती हैं तो कैसा फील करते हैं?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, और अच्छा लगता है, and I'm going to Delhi I think in a week or so, and I love going up north.
क्या खाना पसंद है?
I mean, Tanya the other day, she brought me parante from home that were so yummy, and her mom had made that, what do you call white butter?
दही
मक्खन बनाया था, then हमने परांठे खाए थे. It was very good.
आपने बनाना सीखा?
Yeah, I can make parathas.
बच्चे कभी कहते हैं कि मम्मी आज मेरे लिए यही बनना चाहिए. क्या
मैं
बनाती हैं?
बनाती हूँ, सब चीजें बनाती हूँ. Indian खाना I can make parathas fine, but I would have to read a recipe on how to make dal, सब्जी, ये सब्जी. Same चीजें होते हैं ना?
हाँ.
सब
अच्छा,
खाने
मसाले
में.
अभी भी समझ में नहीं आते.
No, I mean like same मसाला होता है सब सब्जी के लिए, right?
Okay.
It's not any different.
It is though, I mean, depends upon the substance.
For me it looks the same.
Daniel help करते हैं आपकी cooking में?
नहीं वो he's not allowed, सब चीजें जलाता है. It's very bad. और बच्चे को भी समझ आ गई that पापा को
किचन में एंटर नहीं होने देना.
नहीं, वो स्टोव को नहीं टच करना चाहता. He's not allowed to touch the stove.
आपके पास्ट को लेकर बहुत सारी बातें होती हैं. अगर मैं एक बहुत ऐसा सवाल करना चाहूँ, आपकी ज़िंदगी में अगर आप चाहें कि किसी एक चैप्टर को हटाना चाहूँ, तो कोई एक ऐसा चैप्टर है, कोई ऐसा एक मोमेंट?
No, I don't think so. I think that जो भी लाइफ में होता है, you learn something from it. Whether it was good, bad, very ugly, I think you learn from all these different things in life, and it really does shape who you are as a human being. अगर वो chapters हटाते, then who are you? You know, like how did you overcome these different obstacles in life? You know, and it's only later on in life when you get older do you realize this is who I am, this is what my legacy is, this is how hard I've worked, and these are the things that I had to overcome, and see how successful things are. अगर वो hard times नहीं होते, then वो success भी नहीं होता है.
So you have no regrets in life?
No, I don't. No.
Which
Everything was like, everything happened for the reason it needed to happen. You know, as young adults, we make choices in life that are good for us in that moment. We're not thinking 10 साल के बाद लोग क्या सोचेंगे. उसी time पे मुझे ये पता है that I need to either make money or I need to make these choices and I need to do this work and I need to get through my day. How am I going to feed my family or myself? And, you know, later on in life, you evolve, you change. आपका सोच भी change होता है. आपके circumstances भी change होते हैं. Business change होता है. So many different things happen. But you had to start at step 1 to get to the last step.
हॉलीवुड से कभी ऑफर आया आपको?
Yeah, I like some stuff. Yeah, but I like it here.
बॉलीवुड ज़्यादा
I
पसंद?
love India. India is my favorite place in the world.
पॉलिटिक्स में कोई रुचि है आपकी?
Here?
पॉलिटिक्स में कोई रुचि?
I mean, my घर में politics, I'm the president. But outside of the house, no thank you.
but favorite politician कोई होगा?
Oh, मैं हूँ मेरे घर में.
सनी लियोनी खुद.
I'm, you know, Sunny Leone, the president of the Weber house.
और स्पोर्ट्स में आपकी रुचि क्या क्या है? क्या खेलना पसंद रहा, या अभी भी आप कभी मन होता है तो बच्चों के साथ खेलना पसंद करते हैं?
So हमारे घर में we play soccer, we play basketball, we play American baseball. You know, we play like these types. We haven't gotten into cricket yet. I think वो थोड़ा सा complicated है. At least no one national के लिए अभी. They're still getting the fundamentals of passing a ball. So जब passing a ball हो जाता है, step 1, then you know, then we can move on to other things.
आप अपनी फिटनेस के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं? ये काफ़ी लोग जानना चाहेंगे.
Yeah, कोशिश करती हूँ अच्छा खाना खाओ. I think one of the biggest things is food. because what you're eating is definitely what is going to show on your face and your skin and your body. And try and be as active as possible, whether it's walking, even if it's just walking for 20 minutes, you still have to do something. And try and work out as much as possible.
एंड मेंटल पीस?
mental peace तो कभी होता नहीं है।
मेडिटेशन वगैरह?
अगर मुझे 5 मिनट मेडिटेशन के लिए मिलता है, then sure I'll go do it. But usually after 1 minute there's mama. So
तो 3 बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी में?
yeah, you know, they're my mental peace. I look at them, I get a hug, I get a kiss, you know, and then everything is worth it.
सनी लियोनी अपने आपको अगर व्यक्त करना चाहती हैं, बताना चाहते हैं, तो कौन सा एक शब्द?
डेफिनेशन?
Okay.
कोई एक लाइन, कोई एक शब्द?
Oh, okay.
In one word.
I think it would be just, I want to be known as a hard worker. That, you know, we worked hard and, you know, got success by working hard and being honest.
वो आज का कोई यूथ, उसके लिए आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं? वो
yeah.
किस तरीके से मेंटल और फिजिकली?
To all the youth out there, आपको काम करना पड़ेगा to make money. अगर काम नहीं करेंगे, then पैसा नहीं आएगा. So you must work. कोई shortcuts नहीं होते लाइफ में, आपको करना पड़ेगा.